How to reverse videos on CapCut. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can reverse your videos on CapCut app. Now to do so is quite simple and quite easy, so let me help you through. First, what you want to do is open up the CapCut app. You'll get an interface like this. Now you can either edit from your drafts if you want, or you can select a new project. I'll just select a new project right here and choose a video quickly. Once you do this, once you select a video, now select the video part that you want to reverse. Now you can just select whole video, or you can just select half of the video. You can crop it, or you can split it and choose it. What you want to do is at the bottom of the screen you'll find a list of options there. You can see split right here, speed, animation, style, delete. What you want to do is scroll all the way to the right. Keep on scrolling until you find the reverse option. Here you can see the reverse option just in between the copy option and the freeze option. Simply tap on reverse and your video will get reversed. Now I won't be able to show you the process here because my recording will get stopped if I tap on it. So what you want to do is simply tap on reverse and your video will get reversed. So this way you can reverse videos on CapCut. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.